Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shop members on Etsy. So if you have other people that help you with making items or running the shop, this is where you will add those individuals because these are terms and conditions that Etsy requires for you to do. So if you want to learn how to add shop members, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. If this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. So let's go ahead and get started. So in order to add any shop members to your actual Etsy store, all you have to do is go on your dashboard, and if you go to settings and then if you head to about your shop, this window is going to pop up here. And from here, you're able to add a photo of the individual. I would highly suggest to do that so it could look professional. You could add the name of the person. You could say the role. So you could say assistant, curator, customer service, designer, maker, marketer, photographer, shipper, etc. You could make your own as well. And then you could write a short description of who they are. So let's say that you have an Etsy shop and your husband helps you, or maybe your sister-in-law helps you. You could add these individuals as shop members. And that way, when they respond to your customers' emails, or maybe to a customer in return and sign their names, the customer will not be confused on why they're receiving a message from that individual person versus the person that owned the actual store. So this is the easiest way to add a shop member, and is actually something that Etsy requires you to do. So if you do have anyone helping you, don't forget to add them. You can always remove them at any given moment if they no longer help you. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other videos that you would like me to make about Etsy related, or even social media related to help you grow your Etsy business, make sure that you leave a comment below and I will add that video to my to-do list. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.